day to viewers, the Colonel speaking to you live from the Grange, British Imperial YouTube broadcast. Now we've got two records here. We're going to do a rather interesting test. It's often said that the Indian pressings of HMV recordings are superior in tone because they have a purer material. You know, the Hayes pressings often had a lot of extra slate dust shoved in, and of course the Indian pressings, being nearer to the source of the shellac, are often purer and are said to be better quality because of that. So here we go with the test. We have here an ordinary Hayes pressing, is Master's Voice DA 1003, Allego by Fiocco, played by Master Yehudi Menuhin, pianoforte accompanied by Louis Persinger. That's that one, and here we have another one. And yes, it's his Master's Voice DA 1003, Allego by Fiocco, played by Master Yehudi Menuhin again. Right, we will play the Hayes pressing first, and then we'll go on to the Dum Dum pressing. Let's see what, or hear the difference. They're both mint condition. I'm using a half-tone steel needle. Here we go. That was the Hayes pressing. Now we go on to the Dum Dum pressing. I have washed both these records, so they both are in identical condition. Here we go. didn't notice any difference. Oh dear. Perhaps the Indian pressing was a little bit thinner. Recording. I wonder how they did it. Did they send the sort of metal parts over to India to have them pressed? Or were they recorded down a phone line? I wonder. Oh well, viewers, that was worth testing. Hopefully you found it instructive. Thank you and goodbye.